Turn to a serious note here. We did have a caller just call in, and I just want to, they're a minor, so we didn't want to put them on the air, but they had a very serious question. Their question is about, unfortunately, abuse. They feel like she feels like her parents are being physically abusive to her. What steps does she have legally? Of course, there's the whole, the first thing
I would suggest that she do is go to a school counselor.
Yeah.
Also, there is the CPS, the Child Protective Services. They have a hotline. I would call the Child Protective Services hotline.
Okay.
If the child feels like she's being abused or he's being abused, then that child absolutely should report it.
I think the school counselor is a great suggestion.
Absolutely,
Good,
or a teacher, teachers, medical professionals, school counselors are all mandatory reporters. So those are great resources to go to
Matt,
for a
thoughts?
child.
It's pretty serious.
Yeah, absolutely, and Diane's exactly right. I hope that child does that, and we'll maybe reach out off air after the show and make sure they kind of get some. I'd like to talk to that person, make sure they're well handled. But of course, there's a police side of it as well, if the abuse. But I would definitely go with Diane's advice. I'd start with there, but I'd certainly want the police involved as soon as I could as well.
And the child could also have, reach out through an adult family member to an attorney as well.
Is 911 bad advice or bad information?
I don't think it's bad advice at all. I mean, quite frankly, hard to know what kind of, but I would do anything I can to fix that situation. So absolutely.
As quickly as possible.